this video, let's talk about how to look up our commission in our past paychecks. So you're going to go to pamperedchef.com, you're going to log in. Then you, of course, want to go to the full site. Then you are going to go selling and recruiting. Go down to consultant connection. Click consultant connection. So this is where you can look up your order history, your performance tracker, how you're doing throughout the month. You can also look at your prior year comparison, which is awesome to look at numbers from the year before. So to look at your easiest way to look at your current paycheck and your last month's paycheck is to click down here to performance details. And this is the current month's paycheck. All right here is the earnings. Okay, and then this is also the year-to-date earnings. This tells you how many career recruits you have had, how many have qualified, and this is all of your information that you have with your sales right here. If you ever want to look up your party average, what your average is per party, that would be right here. And your number of orders you typically get average per party is right here, which is great to know where you are sitting. And then to look at the previous month, if you just click right here, you can see the previous month's pay right here. So that's the easiest way to look up your commission. I'm going to take you one other step. So I'm going to go back to this home page. And there's another way that you can look up your commission. If you go to Business Center and you click Financial Information, and then you go to My Commission Statement, click See Your Commission, and you can look up all of your commission statements mid-month and month-end of each month. So if I wanted to go all the way back to January month-end, and I click Statement, this is everything that is broken up into exactly what orders and parties that I submitted. And if I exit out of that, if I click just Sample, that's going to be just my paycheck that I can share in parties, or if you want to just look at it yourself, it tells you how many shows you did, if you have cash bonuses or overrides, your commission on your sales, and then your total income is right there. So that's a second way to look up all of your past paychecks from 2017, 2016, so maybe a little bit further back. The last thing that I want to show you is how to look up the commission that you're going to be making. So if we want to go back to the home page, the full site, and you want to go to Selling and Recruiting and Consultant Connection again, we're going to click on Consultant Connection. So this takes me back to this page that we were at previously. And if you go down here, you can click Commission Level Chart. And this will tell you exactly for how much you have to sell, what your commission you're going to get. And after you've hit your $15,000 in career sales, that bumps up 2%. And this is a base level commission as a consultant. So if you're a senior consultant, team leader, or director and above, this changes a little bit. And the next thing that I'd like to show you is the career plan chart, which is back on this same page. If you click career plan chart, this tells you all of the information for every level of the company that you want to strive for, and all the requirements that you need to be at each level. And this handy paper right here tells you what you get at every single level, whether you're just a consultant, a senior consultant, team leader, director, or above.